To use Trust Wallet Face ID login, start by ensuring your device supports Face ID, typically found on newer Apple devices. Open the Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Settings menu, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon. In the Settings menu, select the Security or Privacy option. Then choose the biometric authentication method, which should include Face ID. Enable Face ID by toggling the switch next to it. You may be prompted to enter your password or PIN for verification. Once Face ID is enabled, you will be asked to scan your face. Position your face within the frame on the screen and follow the on-screen instructions. The device will then store your facial data, allowing you to use Face ID to log in to your Trust Wallet account. To log in using Face ID, simply open the Trust Wallet app and look at the screen. The device will automatically detect your face and grant access to your account if the facial data matches. It is essential to note that you should only enable Face ID on a device that you own and control. And make sure to keep your device and Trust Wallet app up to date with the latest security patches. Additionally, be aware of your surroundings when using Face ID in public, as someone may be able to access your account if they have access to your device and can unlock it with their face. By following these steps, you can securely and conveniently log in to your Trust Wallet account using Face ID, providing an additional layer of security and ease of use.